Hello everyone, welcome to our first video of this course. So this is Engineer Abbas 1. Today I'm going to introduce the method or the right way to get the contour map. Today we are going to work on an external application or program called GlobalMapper. Guys, you need to download that. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we need to open the Google Earth. Okay, so open Google Earth, then head to Tools. You see this? Tools. Then go to Options. After that, make sure you are choosing the Universal Transverse Mercator. Okay, you need to choose this because by default you don't have this by default, so you need to choose it. So choose it and make sure that nothing else is chosen but Universal Transverse Mercator. Okay, then hit apply and OK. Good. Okay, so now let's head to the AutoCAD Civil 3D 2018. So as I said in previous videos, we are going to talk about how to get contour maps from AutoCAD Civil 3D 2012 and 2018. But for beginning and for the course purposes, we are going to talk firstly or initially about Civil 3D 2018. So let's start it. Okay, here we go. So we are just trying to make our basics right. Okay, so we can start without being afraid of making mistakes. So here we got our drawing. It's a new drawing. You see here, drawing 1. It's a new. So as default, the perspective tab is chosen. So we need to do something here to make sure our working is not wrong, or we're not having any small issues that could make our work just go away. So click on settings, go on drawings, and we need to edit drawing settings. Hit enter. So this is our scale 1 to 1000. Alright, the drawing units we're going to use is meters and the angular units are degrees. Okay, then here in the category we need to choose our country. So for me, I'm from Jordan, so I'm going to choose Jordan, which is here. And you need to choose the available coordinate systems. Okay, here we usually use the Jordanian, Palestinian, Great Britain, Israel old coordinate system, and hit by your left click and hit apply. Okay, wait, and okay, cool. Okay, so now we will get back to the Google Earth and let's go to anywhere. Okay, suppose that we are going to place, let's say Canada. Okay, let's find a place in Canada. Okay, so let's get into Canada like this. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, this is for example, yeah. So just let me check this. Let me check the, yeah, we are so near here. Okay, I think this way is good, I hope. Yeah, probably, whatever. Okay, so let's say that you have chosen the spot on the map. Okay, and you want to take the contour map for this place. You need the contour lines. So basically there are two main things you need to do first. You need to make sure that you are heading into north and you are having the top view. How to make sure? Just click on the U the U. You see the U in your keyboard? The U letter. Click on it. So nothing happened. That means we are in the best top view. Yeah, see it like this. Yep. No, let's just click on North. Yeah. So now we are in the top view mode. Okay. So just to show you how the how to to make the top view works. Suppose that you are so near like this, and you are like you're not like top view. It's not top view. So you're like this. So you hit you get like this. You see? So now we are in the top view mode. So let's get back. Zoom out. Okay. Okay. So we want to have the contour lines of this specific area. Okay, hit U. Okay, we're done. We're okay. Hit in, and here's north. Okay, so what shall we do? Okay, we need to add something called add path from this menu. Okay, hit add path. Okay, let's call it Canada, for instance. Then we need to make a drawing. Suppose that we want this area. You look at me drawing it. Yeah, this area. Suppose that it's like this, okay? So we're doing this. Yeah. We need to draw just like this, okay? And stop, then get back like that. Like this, and stop. Okay, so here we have drawn our path, so we say okay here. So as you can see, we have Canada here. So right click on Canada and click on save place as, okay, and keep it .kmz, not kml, kmz, okay, and save. So let's get down here and see. Well, here's our file. Now how to get our coordinates from this file? Well, as I told you, we are going to use the GlobalMapper. I will actually leave the link down in the description. I'm gonna leave its link in the description. So we open the GlobalMapper. Just let me make sure something. Alright, we're good. Okay, so we open this program. I will, as I said before, I will put the link in the description. So here, open, then try to find your file. So our file names was Canada KMZ. Okay, hit on this file and it will open. Very good. So our next step is to go to tools, yeah, and configure. So as we said before, we need the projection to be UTM. Okay, like the one we did in the Google Earth. You remember here when we said tools, options, UTM, universal transverse Mercator. Okay, so we need to make it the same here. So we go down like this, and here's UTM. Okay, we hit UTM and apply, then okay. Alright, then go to the file menu and hit download online imagery topometry maps. Okay, hit on this and wait, just wait. Okay, and hit the connect button and wait for it. Okay, we're waiting here. And here it is. Okay, so now hit the file again and go to the export and hit on export vector ladder format. Okay, another okay, another one, and okay. Here you're going to save it as a txt file, so I'm going to call this txt Canada and save. Just wait, and it's saved. So let's go back. Here's our txt file. As you can see, it has all the UTM we exported from Google Earth. So now you need to delete this. You see this? Hit backspace and delete, and Control is that. After this, you're going to open the Excel. You see the Excel? Yeah, you open the Excel and hit on that. And where is our Canada txt? Here it is. Drag it like that and throw it here. Okay, close this one. So as you can see, all the data are stored in the column A, which is not good. We want to separate them, you know. So we need to do something here to separate lines. We highlight the A column and then go to the Data tab, then to Text columns, and next, then comma, then Finish. As you can see here, look, we have them all separated. So A, B, C. Here A is the easting, B is the northing, C is the altitude or the elevation, which is pointed to as Z. So we need to add points, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we need to make them, to give them numbers. So basically click here and hit insert, then come to here, 1, 2, and highlight them both. And when the cursor turns to be like this black, just double click, and here we go. You see, now all of them are numerized. So Control A, go to the home and try to make them center. Okay. After that, we're going to hit File, Save As, Browse. So on the desktop, we're gonna call this the same Canada, but we are going to save it as a CSV file, which is, where is it? No, CSV comma delimited. That's this one. Okay, CSV comma delimited, and hit it, then hit save. After that, you can close this, and if you want to make sure that it's really working, click on it again. Oh yeah, it's the same data. So this is the file we're going to work on in Civil 3D 2018. So we can get back to our AutoCAD Civil 3D, and here we go to the Prospector tab, then come to Points and right click on Points, hit Create, and from this you hit Point Groups or Import Points, hit it. Then you need to choose your file, which is named Canada in our case, Canada CSV, and hit Open. Then, so as we said, our Excel file is, you know, is about our points that are points, then easting, then northing, then the altitude, which is, you know, that's given the symbol Z or the letter Z. So we need to find something called PENZ. Okay, so PENZ, comma, delimited. This is the one we need to look for. So when we hit on this, look, this is the P, this is the E, this is the N, this is the Z, which is the point elevation. Alright, so we need to add points to point group. This is better, I think, yeah. So let's call this EX EN. Okay, and hit enter. You can call whatever you want. Then okay, so nothing appeared. What's wrong? Okay, let's try to type Z, okay, then hit enter, then the E letter and hit enter, and these are the points we have chosen or we drawn on our Google Maps or Google Earth. Here it is. So this is not a contour map. We want to make it a contour map. How's that? We need to go to the surface and right click and create surface. Choose a name. Let's say that we have given it the name Canada. Okay, description, and make the contours from for the style about 1 to 5 design. Alright. Okay, and hit enter or okay. Now we still didn't get what we want. Okay, we didn't have the contour map. So come to the surface here, to this plus sign, hit it, and again, definitions, and roll down to see something called point groups. You see it? You see point groups here? Right click and hit on add. Click on all points and apply. Then okay. And here we go. Here is our contour map. As you can see, this is our contour map. Oh, it's a huge map. So this is the first method of getting our contour map, but there is a small problem that we need to keep our eyes on, which is if we zoomed in, we will find this kind of dots. Yeah, the dots that we had at first. So you want to remove them. How to remove them? So you come to one of them and like this, right click and select similar, then hit right click on properties. Alright. So here we need to change the value of this, the labels visibility. We need to make it false. So as you see, it's gone. We still have the X sign, which is annoying actually. We don't want it to appear. We just don't want it to appear. Okay, so you can go to the layer here and search for something called vNode. vNode here, and hit this light bulb, and it's gone. As you see, we have a crystal clear map. Yep. So suppose this is a dense contour map. You want to make the intervals like more spacing between them. You just hit on this and go to the surface properties, and here you can change this from 2 to 10 design and hit enter. You see, it becomes like this. Yeah. So this is the first method. I'm gonna tell you about the second method in the second video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you didn't find it boring. Abbas1 was with you. Thank you very much.